Alright. Welcome back, guys, to this KivyMD video series. In the last video, we learned how to create a simple navigation drawer. Obviously, there is no content inside it right now, but it slides out nicely. In this video, we are going to add all kind of stuff in this navigation drawer, and this video is going to be basically a revision of all the things that we have learned in the previous videos. So for example, we'll be adding an image, also known as the header image, maybe some labels below it and a list below that, and that is going to be the content of this navigation drawer. So first things first, what we are going to do is let's open up this github.com/athreyabhat. This is my GitHub repository. All the code you need will be found over here, and then just click on this repositories button and find this folder known as the KivyMD-basics folder. So just click on that because this is a KivyMD series, and then we are going to be looking a lot at our previous work and kind of taking code from there because we don't want to write every code from scratch. So for example, if you want a list, we'll go to this list folder. If you want some kind of labels, we'll go to this labels folder. But we'll code as much as we can in this video. So let's get started. So first thing we need is a header image. As you can see, I've already added an image over here of my beautiful face. You can also take image, just not take mine, but if you want it, you can just take it from my GitHub page if you want to like totally follow along. But I'll highly recommend take your own picture. So the first thing we need is a box layout, and make sure you have watched my Kivy basic series on box layout because I'm not going to go into it again. So first we are just going to write box layout, and this will be automatically imported. You don't need to import it manually. Make sure it's under this MD navigation drawer, and then I'm just going to put a colon over here. And in box layout, you obviously have to give some kind of orientation. So I'm just going to give it an orientation of vertical. And then we need some kind of content inside our MD navigation drawer. So for starters, let's just add some simple labels inside it. So inside our box layout, I'm just going to add a MD label, and our MD label will have a text. So what we are going to say is just my name, Athreya. And then we are also going to give it some kind of font style. So I'm just going to write font_style. And we have covered all of this stuff in my labels video. So if you go to my GitHub page and click on labels and click on, let's just wait for it to load, click on notes.txt, you'll be able to see that there are something known as styles. And we are going to be using different styles in this video. So first font_style is, let's say, subtitle, and subtitle 1, not just any subtitle. And this will make text a little bit smaller but a lot more cuter. And then we can create another MD label. So let's just copy this and paste it over here. And this one, I'm just going to give out my email. And if you have any questions, you can ask me personally on this email. Make sure you don't spam it. But yeah, and in the font style, I'm just going to give it a font style of maybe caption, make it a little bit more smaller. And that's pretty much it. So let's format everything properly. And now let's reload our main.py file and see how it looks. Stop and rerun, and if you open up a navigation drawer, you can see there is this Athrey and there is this smaller version of text and with my email. But now you can see that there are a lot of huge spaces in this box layout. So what I want to do is that these texts should only take the height of themselves. So they should not take the height of all the window, but only take the height of their own area. So for that, there is this height. We are going to use this height parameter. So first we have to tell Kivy that we don't want to use any kind of automatic size. So we are just going to write size_hint_y, and we are just going to give it a none, and then we'll set the height manually. And to give it the height of the text itself, we are just going to write self.texture_size, and then inside brackets, we are just going to put in 1. So let's just copy this and paste this for the second text too. And let's make sure that the spacings are correct. Let's reload it. And now you should be able to see that we have two texts over here, and but they're appearing at the bottom of our screen, which is a problem. But first let's add an image. We haven't added an image, and then we'll make sure that everything appears at the top because this is a header image and it should appear at the top. And adding Emblem image is also very very easy. We are just going to write image, and over here it first requires a source file. So I've already copied an image that I showed you guys before. So I'm just going to call it mine.jpg, which is basically the name of my image. So now let's just run it and see how it looks. So let me just click on this reload button, and if you open it up, you can see this beautiful image of this handsome guy is there, but we want it to appear at the top of our screen. So what we can do is just below this MD label, we are going to add a scroll view so that we can start creating our list, and that will automatically push this thing to the top. So we are just going to write list view, and let's put a colon over here. And now we can just reload it, and you'll be able to see that all of the things jump to the top. But you can see that it's touching the side of our mobile application, which doesn't really look good, and there's not much spacing between the image and different text items. So what we can also do is that inside our box layout, we can give it a spacing, and we're just going to give it a spacing of maybe 8 display pixels, and we're also going to give it a padding of 8 display pixels. Make sure they are inside single quotes, otherwise it's going to give you an error. So now let's reload it, and if we click on this icon, you can see this is actually looking pretty good, but this Atre and bhatatre@gmail.com is not really aligned properly with the image. So what we can also do is maybe we can give a little bit of spaces over here. Obviously this is like a very easy, like a very lazy kind of a fix, but whatever, if it works, it works. So I'm just gonna reload it, and now you can see that it's formatted properly. Let's give it a little bit less space so that it aligns properly. So let me just press a backspace and a backspace over here maybe. And now let's reload it and see how it looks. So now everything is looking pretty good. It's aligned properly. So now let's get started on creating our list down below. So creating a list is also pretty easy. Let's go back to our KivyMD-basics, and inside there, let's look at the folder of 8-list. If you haven't looked at the video, make sure you have a look at it. Otherwise, it will be very difficult to understand what's going on. So we are just gonna go to this file of builder_main.py. And actually, let's go to a different file. Let's go to the builder basic main and open it up. And over here, let's wait for it to open. And over here, you can see we have a scroll view which we just created, and it requires this MD list, and then we can create our items inside it. So let's just copy this MD list from here and paste it inside our scroll view. So we are just gonna press paste and make sure everything is formatted properly. So this MD list should be inside our scroll view, and both of these items should be inside MD list. So now let's reload it and see how it looks. So if we press this, you can see it's starting to like look good. So we have 2 items over here, but let's also add some icons. And if we want to use the icon, we have to use a different kind of list that is known as a one-line icon list items. So let's write that, and let's change the text to something else. Let's go just call it profile, and we also want to add some kind of an image over here. So to add an image, if we go back to our GitHub and press backspace and go to our main.py file, you'll be able to see whenever we want to add an image, we first need to use this icon left widget, and that is added to this one line icon list item. And we have already talked about this inside our list video, so I'm not gonna go into it again. So I'm just gonna add this icon left widget over here, and then I'm just gonna write icon over here and give it an icon name. So for right now, I'm just gonna call it, I don't know what it should be called, so I'm just gonna write Android over here. And then we can just copy this and paste it over here too, so that we don't have to write all of the code again. Now let's reload it and see how it looks. So if we click over here, you can see there's this Android icon over here, and there's this another profile over here. So now let's change actually the names of it. So over here, let's make it something like upload maybe, and then let's make another one-line icon list item. So I'm just going to copy this one too and paste it over here. And the third one, let's just call it maybe like logout or something. And now we need different icons for these different items. To get that, we have already talked about this, but I'm just going to cover it again. If you go to our KivyMD-basics and go to my labels folder, inside my labels folder, go into notes.txt. You can just go to this MD icons, copy this from here and paste it on Google. Not on Google, just in the URL. And if we just scroll down a little bit, you can see all these Android icon names that are already inbuilt inside KivyMD. So we're just gonna search for maybe like profile or something. So you can see there's this, we are just gonna use this face profile woman, and we are gonna copy and paste this over here. And then for upload, let's just search for upload maybe, and copy this file-upload. Looks pretty good. Obviously, I haven't tried all of the icons, so feel free to play around with them, see what icons look like. So I'm just gonna paste this one. And lastly, let's just search for logout. So we're just gonna search for logout. And yeah, let's just go with this logout one. So I'm just gonna copy this and paste it inside our code. And that's pretty much it. So now let's reload it and see how it looks. So now you can see we have this beautiful navigation drawer, and feel free to customize it a little bit with what you have learned in the previous videos. You can do a lot of stuff with it. So make sure you play around with padding, spacing, icons, whatever you want to do over here. So this is basically your playground area of whatever you want to do. KivyMD basically gives you this drawer, and inside the box layout or whatever layout you want to use, you can do whatever you want. So guys, this is pretty much it for this video. In the next video, we're gonna learn how to switch screens. I think that's a very good question which I haven't answered yet. So for example, if I click on this profile icon, it will take us to a different screen, and when you click on this upload icon, it should take us to a different screen than the home screen. So we are going to talk about that in the next video. I'll see you over there.